Go home happy with the 2019 Audi S5. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. The Audi S5 Sportback, the high-performance premium sport sedan that feeds your appetite for exhilaration. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, sun, moon roof, navigation system, power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Life is short. Why wait? Make a date with us to get behind the wheel of the S5 Sportback.